Hi, and thanks for tuning in. Here's what's news this month at D&H Distributing. Now, D&H has recently added large-scale video wall kits to our Pro AV portfolio as another high-margin opportunity for partners. You can streamline and simplify video wall deployments and provide your clients with a dynamic signage experience with solutions from Samsung, LG, NEC, Planer, and ViewSonic. For more information on these new kits, visit dnh.com/ProAV. Did you know that you can manage the entire customer lifecycle through the D&H Cloud Marketplace? By bundling hardware, software, and your managed services into a single SKU, your clients gain financial flexibility and business scalability while you enjoy a predictable revenue stream. You can learn more about your Anything as a Service opportunity at dnh.com/cloud. D&H continues to provide industry-leading solutions-focused webinars in March with topics including cloud, hybrid workspace solutions, and E-Rate for education. For event dates and registration details, visit dnh.com/events. And as always, you can catch our most recent on-demand broadcast featuring Pro AV and Esports for higher education by visiting dnh.com/DHTV and dnh.com/solutionslab. Our popular Esports playbook has been updated to guide you through establishing esports programs for your K-12 clients. And to further assist you, we even offer a discounted K-12 esports provider certification through the Esports Education Network. You can download the playbook and start your certification today at dnh.com/esports. Well, that's all for this month. As always, don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube to stay in touch with what's news at D&H every day.